Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It's Radia here. Today I'm trying out something new, trying to do some vlogging. So I hope you guys do enjoy this one. I have a few things to do, so I thought why not bring you guys along with me. Okay, so I really don't want to wear makeup. Actually, I don't want to wear makeup today. I just want to use my SPF, which I already did. You can see, yeah, and maybe groom my brows and get out of the house because I'm lazy going out. So trying to wear makeup at this time is just gonna slow down the whole process. Like, I've been procrastinating going out, honestly, and I need to do this errand because kids are back to school and I need to get ready. I need to get some things done, even though the movement might not go well because I have so many places to go, like you can't even imagine. Although some of the school supplies for my daughter, I already got most of those, and yeah, and also I'll be announcing the winner for the giveaway. I think her name is Flo Dudeni. I'm not so sure how to pronounce it, but she was the main person that's like followed the rules, and I'm like very precise about who gets the item. So I hope she finds it useful. So congratulations to you, girl. Yeah, so I have not also had time to film that video separately, but yeah, that's it. The winner is out and you are the winner. You are the winner. Okay, so let me just try to get ready quickly and I'll head out. Yeah, I'm also hungry, so I took my daughter's snack. There's no harm in that, right? So use some lip gloss. I don't even know if this goes well, like the way I'm even vlogging. I don't know how, if this is how they do it, but I'm just doing something, right? Let's go. So I didn't tie my scarf well because I was doing it just randomly. So let me try to get into the mirror and wear my scarf properly. And also let me know if you want to see a video of how I tie my turbans. Let me know, leave it in the comments. After blessing my face with a lot of SPF, all I just need to do now is reduce the shine on my face and powder. That's it. No time to waste. Groom the brow. And I'm ready. Oh yeah, Eje Carlo. Let's go.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me?
Yeah. Hello. So I need to get a few back to school supplies.
Hello. Hang on, look at this.
I need
Lama
to get
has
brushes. This one's, well, they got the wrong thing. It's the rounded type.
Hang on. Lama has the same thing. Look at, look, Mama, look at this mask. The good thing is that it's not like these ones. I think it's made from silk and all those things.
Breathable face mask.
I think it's
Okay, these are the small ones.
Mommy home.
If I stayed in my city, red, blue, and green.
See, over here.
How my life would be. How my life would be.
Which color do you want?
I want this.
I want this one. Why do you want this one? Open it. What's so special about this one? Open it.
Because I like it. Because I like it. It's color pink. Look.
Okay, then pick one more. Just take it. Okay.
Okay, but this one has the same thing that this one.
Okay. Yeah. Finally, I can mirror myself.
Let's try this.
If I stayed in my city, red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? There's none to say. I'm not happy with my life this way.
Junkie. Zara, do you, let me get you some Capri Sun. Oh. Some. Let me buy a few. No, I don't want that one. Pick orange and this one. Okay, so.
Open up the mirror.
Get some more. One more thing, milk. No more bread. Bread is all soda. Is it your belt? That's your belt?
Yes, it's belt.
Careful, no, careful.
What is the stuff in that box? Only difference is that we came from here when it was our first time coming.
It's okay.
From here. Now this time we came from
Shush,
here.
shush, it's enough. I'm coming.
Ice cream.
Hey, you remember me? I did not. She said, please let me quickly come. I have friends inside. I said, see you. Next time. Bye. She's there. Surprise!
If I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England, never know. But when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city, red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present. Mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed 'Cause I know both ways that I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city, red, blue, and green.
He's my new grandpa.
Is that how my life would be?
This one, dear grandpa.
Now is the food showing?
Yeah,
Is the food showing?
kind of.
Then you need to hold it. Hold it for some few minutes. Zara, is this how you want to become a YouTuber? No, this one. Hold it slanted. Not too shaky. Now move it to my face. Move it to my face. You can't be doing two things at a time. It's my face showing. You don't deserve to have a YouTube channel, okay?
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them.
No, I'm not showing your face.
They can touch the
Yes, please. I need spoon. Spoon. Are we done? There should be one more chicken. One more chicken and rice.
Sarah, start it.
Hi, how are you? How far now? How you doing? Not have seen me. Yeah. Good afternoon. Let me see your face. Partially sleeping the whole day. Zara, baby. How are you? You're looking great now. I like this chichinga place.
The other book looks like, oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city, red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would
Remember, my likes them.
be? There's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways that
Somebody will think I believe I can.
Hi guys, so I just wanted to come by to end the vlog quickly. Yeah, so today my day didn't go as planned. I mean, some spontaneous moments happened, which was the food session. That wasn't planned. The whole idea was just for me to quickly do some errands around. And yeah, and then later on, my adopted sister called me up for something that I've always wanted to. Not like I've always wanted. This is practically my second time having it, and that was the acheke, the meal that you saw me eating. Yeah, so it's an Ivorian dish. I think it's one of their staples, and Ghanaians are also loving it a lot. Yeah, so after eating, we just stayed around and we're gisting till like late. So it's almost 11 p.m. now, and I go home, let's say around 10 or past 10. Yeah, so yeah, I'm kind of new to this and it's not easy. Like, there are so many challenges that you can come across. Sometimes when you're even filming, yeah, people passing by are like looking at you like, is this a strange thing? Like, I don't know if you get me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you do, let me know. Yeah, I just had my shower, so I'm trying to like do my late skincare. Okay, so take care. I see you guys in the next video. Bye.
If I'd stayed in my city,